Hello and welcome to another haul. This is a Christmas haul from the Dollar Tree. I am so excited. I have been waiting all year for them to have Christmas items. So let's just get on into this. This little guy here is an ornament, but I just thought it would be so cute on like a shelf, and so that's what I'm probably gonna do with it. I just love these packages. And it says Merry Christmas.
Sorry, the video just kind of cut off there. So this says Merry Christmas and it has a green bow. My bow kind of flops over, but it is adorable. I can't wait to use this as decoration.
Another day, so another cup of coffee. Alright, item number 2. These guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. They have little clips on the back. Let me just take this out for you so that you can see if I... Okay, come on, Allie. If I can figure it out, I will take this out for you. Alright, I'm a little challenged, but I got it out. Oh my gosh. It is so stinking cute.
So I guess these are intended to be ornaments, which you could totally do that, but also there are so many things you could use this for. You can put it on tags, on Christmas gifts, so many things. You could even put it on your clothes if you wanted, I guess. If you wanted.
Bam! So next up, I got some of these bows in case you didn't guess that. Obviously, I took a couple out. They're on my little kitty right here because, I mean, I had to dress her up.
So I love these little bows. You get 12 of them. They're just these little mini bows. They're sparkly, there's red, and there's green. I didn't even know that on the back of them they have the little twisties. Here I'm showing you that now. And so you can attach these to tags, to gifts, to all kinds of things.
I just thought this ribbon was so pretty, and it says Holly Jolly Christmas. You know, so cute. We just zoom on up.
So this ribbon actually says have a holly jolly Christmas. Love the red and the green. It is a little bit see-through, so just keep that in mind. So many uses for this as well.
The camera, but it has like this really pretty design on it. Oh, there it kind of is focusing. So let's try and zoom up for you.
So here's a close view of this gorgeous red ribbon. I mean, come on, it's $1. Look at it, it's so pretty, and you get 9 feet.
I got one in this sparkly gold color. I mean, and colors like this, it's ribbon, so yes, it's kind of a Christmas color, but there's other uses for it, so. And this one's 12 feet. Woo!
What can I say? This gold is on point. I love this ribbon. So pretty. Also, 12 feet. Here's just another up close look at the green ribbon.
Snowflakes on the red ribbon. Oh my gosh, I could do so many things with this.
Can't wait to DIY with this ribbon.
These sparkly ones seem to be 12 feet because this one also is 12 feet. I had to get a silver one because that's just such a universal color. And yeah, I didn't even know they were 12 feet and 9 feet. And then these are little packages, little red packages.
I can't wait to use this ribbon to make Christmas tags.
A red sparkly one.
This is just the perfect sparkly red color. It's not orangey at all. It's the perfect Christmas red.
They're technically little ornaments. It comes with 5 of them. Or I guess I counted it, but I guess I could just read the packaging. Yeah, okay, it says 5 right there. It says Merry Christmas. I honestly thought I could probably do a DIY with this. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do with it, but I figured there are so many possibilities.
These do have a little bit of glitter fallout, so you might want to spray them with some hairspray or something, but they come with 5, and I think that is so amazing. You could give these out to 5 different people. How awesome is that?
Pine cones and these little red berries. I got this because I thought that this little flower is the perfect size for a DIY that I want to do. All of these flowers that I've seen have been huge and they're very pretty, but they're just a little too big for what I want to do with them. And so I was thrilled to find the perfect size and for $1. So I did get, let's see, 1, 2, got 2.
These little poinsettias are the perfect size, like I said before. I am thrilled that I was able to find these. It is such a find for me, and I can't wait to use these.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then that leaf detail, the sparkly pine.
I know I sound like a broken record, but I am so excited to use these in DIY. Perfect size, people. And these are gold.
Hope you enjoyed this Christmas, except for the very end haul. I had so much fun finding all of this stuff and filming, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Have a absolutely wonderfully perfect day. Don't forget to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. Thanks so much. Miss Alley Cat DIY signing out.